A $5 fast food meal doesn't cost you $5. Do the real math, and that quick, convenient habit can quietly drain $87,000 out of your future retirement. Not because fast food is evil, because of what that money could have become if it grew instead of got eaten. This is the $1.50 rule, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let me show you exactly how small money turns into big money. First, the real number. The average American household spends over $3,000 a year eating out, and a big chunk of that is fast food and delivery, grabbed on autopilot, a few times a week, $5 to $15 at a time. It never feels like much. That's the trap. Small, frequent, forgettable purchases don't feel like a financial decision. But stacked over a working career, they become one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make. Here's the rule. Take just the difference between eating out and making it yourself, about $1.50 a day on the low end. $1.50 invested today, at the stock market's long-run average of about 8% a year, becomes roughly $15 in 30 years. So every time you hand the drive-thru $1.50, you're really handing your future self a $15 bill and lighting it on fire. Now do that every single day. Watch what daily does. $1.50 a day is about $46 a month. Invest that every month in a simple index fund earning around 8%, and in 30 years it grows to about $68,000. Give it a full career, 33 years, and it crosses $87,000. That's the same money you were spending anyway. The only thing that changed is where it went. And most people spend way more than $1.50. Say your fast food and delivery habit is really $50 a week. Pretty normal these days. Cut it in half and invest $100 a month instead. At 8% over 30 years, that's about $149,000. Over a full career, north of $250,000. That's a house down payment or a decade of early retirement, sitting quietly inside your drive-thru receipts. This is not about never eating out again. Restriction always fails. It's about the swap. Pick 2 or 3 fast food meals a week and replace them with something you make. Batch cook on Sunday, so the easy choice is also the cheap one. Then automate the difference. Set a recurring transfer for that exact amount into your investing account the same day each week. If the money never sits in checking, you never feel it leave. Where should that money go? For most people, a Roth IRA holding a low-cost index fund is perfect. It grows completely tax-free for retirement. No Roth yet. A regular brokerage account and a total market index fund works too. And if investing still feels scary, even a high-yield savings account beats a paper bag of receipts. The account matters far less than the habit of redirecting the money at all. The biggest mistake is thinking it's too small to matter. $5 here, $12 there. Our brains file it under nothing. But wealth is almost never built by one big move. It's built by aiming small, boring, repeated dollars at something that compounds. Fast food feels cheap in the moment and turns out expensive over a lifetime. Flip which one you optimize for, and the same paycheck builds a completely different future. So, the $1.50 rule. Every small convenience purchase is really future retirement money in disguise. $1.50 a day becomes about $87,000 over a career. Cut a $50 a week habit in half, and it's $250,000. Keep eating out. Just swap a few meals, automate the difference, and let it compound. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lesson school skipped. And next time, renting versus buying in 2026, and the math nobody actually shows you.